everybody, welcome back. So today I am back with another home decor haul. Yes, so listen guys, I said I wasn't gonna be going crazy in the stores this fall, but yeah, I did some damage today. Not too much, just a little bit. So if you guys are interested in what I picked up, just keep on watching. Guys, now listen, I said I was not gonna go crazy, but listen, I saw those gorgeous pumpkins, and you know they had a few silver ones and they had some blue ones, and I just was like, ah. So I did have to grab a couple. So I grabbed actually 3 pumpkins, I think, maybe 4, but let me just show you. I picked up this one, and isn't this gorgeous, guys? This one is like a little onion shaped one, and he was only $6.99. So I scooped him up, and I love this kind of like mercury grass color. This is actually going to go in my living room. So I have like a pair of those, actually 3 of them that kind of will go in a grouping, I'm hoping, and so they will look nice together. Although I didn't find them in the same part of the store. I was walking around and just randomly found them, but they had so many today. So yeah, the next one is just this one, a little bit wider. It is that same kind of mercury glass crackled effect that the first one had on it, and this one is $12.99. So yeah, and you can kind of see the difference in between the two and the shapes of them. Can you see that? So this one's a little bit smaller, and this one is a little wider. And then guys, so, yeah, when I saw this one, I had to stop and just like breathe because I thought this one was so cute. So here it is. Oh my goodness, it's like just so beautiful to me. It's all just shiny and glamorous looking. So yes, these are going to go in my living room. If I didn't mention before, I didn't have any glamorous pumpkins for in there, so that's why I bought a couple this year. I do have some different kinds that, you know, I have done DIYs with and things like that, but I wanted some that looked really fancy, so that's why I picked these up. And this one was the most expensive. It was $16.99. So yeah, but oh my goodness, it's huge. And okay guys, and the last pumpkin that I picked up was this white one here, and it has a kind of iridescent colored stem on it that curls, which I thought was adorable. So I picked it up, and this one was $9.99. It is pretty heavy, and again, I just like the shape of this. It's like flat and just a little different, something that I don't already have. And so yeah, I just went ahead and got this. The reason I went in there was to just pick up some towels, and so I just got these. I felt like they were very simple, and again, they're going to match my kitchen decor. I don't have to change out too much. For our bathroom, I got these hooks here, and they're like little diamonds, and pretty soon I'm going to be redecorating our bathroom, but I haven't started buying anything for that bathroom yet, but I wanted to just grab these while I could. These were $5.99, guys. I don't know if you can see. I think these are really pretty. They're like little diamonds on the end. Decor items that I picked up. I did get this little yum bowl for my cat. It is one of those Ray-Dun bowls, and I really like these for my cat. I think they look really cute and dressed up for him, and so whenever I see something that's cute, I will pick up him a bowl. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is actually up there, and I'm going to grab it down and show you. This is the pillow that I picked up, and I don't know if you can see, but it has like this really cute texture to it, which I thought was cute. They had this pillow in a whole bunch of different colors, but I opted for this one because I just thought it would be pretty in my bedroom. I actually just want to get one more, and I feel like I'll be set for that. But so I love this pillow, and yeah, I just grabbed it up. I love the texture, as I said, and I think it's going to work out perfect for in here for that kind of rustic glam look that I'm going for. So I was super happy to find this, and it was $24.99. Yeah, $24.99, and it is 20 by 20, so this is a pretty large pillow. This didn't come from Home Goods. This came from the at-home store, but I thought I might as well just go ahead and show you this now. These two things are actually for my kids' bathroom. You can kind of know that I'm actually working on doing my kids' bathroom over, and I am doing like a cat and dog theme, so I felt like those would work perfect for that, because it's kind of like like the traditional trash can look that these have to them. So yeah, another little look at them. And they weren't expensive at all. These were super inexpensive. $6.99 for this, and like, what was this one? This one was $12.99. So super inexpensive, and I just thought they would look cute. So I went ahead and grabbed those. The last thing I want to show you is this little towel rack thing that I got. And this, originally I wanted it for my kids' bathroom, but the wall in there is just too small. And so I'm going to have to figure out another option for this, or sadly it may have to go back. Thinking it could work out in my office as a place to hang my jewelry and things like that, maybe. I don't know. But the price on this was super nice. It was only $10 for this. And the other ones in the store were, I don't know, $16 easy. So I went ahead and got this, and I hope I can find somewhere to put it because I think it's cute. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little haul. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.